Welcome. Today, I'll show how to make a shortcut on your Chrome toolbar based on your personal usage. This quick and updated method helps you access your most used features right from the toolbar, saving you time every time you browse. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. That's the Chrome menu icon. Tap those three dots to open the menu, then scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll find plenty of options to customize your browsing experience. Keep scrolling until you see the option called Toolbar Shortcut. Tap on it to continue. This is where you can control what Chrome shows on your toolbar depending on how you use the browser. Now, toggle on the switch next to Toolbar Shortcut. Turning this feature on will let Chrome automatically create shortcuts for your most visited tools or actions. Next, you'll notice an option that says Choose based on your usage. Tap that. This setting allows Chrome to study how you browse and automatically decide which shortcuts are most helpful for you.